A main clause makes sense on its own. A subordinate clause adds extra information to a sentence and does not make sense on its own. For example, my cousin, who is really tall, is younger than me. My cousin and is younger than me is the main clause. Who is really tall is the subordinate clause and gives extra information about my cousin. Subordinate clauses can come at the start, middle, or end of a sentence. Every clause must have a verb. Remember, these words are verbs too. The relative pronouns, who and which, are used to give extra information about the noun within a sentence. Who is used for human subjects and animals, and which is used for non-human subjects or objects. Now try these. Identify the subordinate clause in these sentences. I made lunch because I was hungry. My pet dog, who is normally sleeping, is wide awake. Although it was difficult, Penny still completed her schoolwork. Keep watching to see if you were able to identify the subordinate clauses in the sentences. The subordinate clauses are highlighted in pink. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.